What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to make shadows in Scratch. So let's get started. I'll make shadows for this sprite. So name this character. Then let's start scripting. First of all, you need a costume added. So when the green flag clicked, forever point towards mouse pointer, then make a block called render shadows and add two numbers and text inputs, length, intensity, and check this run screen without refresh. Now make a script. When the green flag clicked, forever render shadows with length 10 and intensity 100. Now we can go here. Then put here move 10 steps here and put your length into -1, move backwards, then erase all, then set brightness effect to intensity into -1, then repeat length, move one step and then stamp. Now when we check, you can see there's a shadow on the screen which rotates with the player. You can see I have not made any shadows in the costume. And then to remove this, you can erase all. So put here when the green flag click, erase all and go to X0 and Y0. Now when you click the green flag, you can see this. You can change the costume and check if it works with everything. Yellow balloon. Now you can see it renders balloon shadows. You can change the length and intensity here, like -20, double the 20, double the length. You can see, and intensity also. Intensity into, let's set to 50. You can see the shadows are transparent. You can see here. Decrease it to 20, then green flag. Now these are visible, and if you set it to 0, and you can see they are visible very clearly. Thank you guys for watching.